Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So I'm going to show you how you can add or remove the chat option in the Vixen. So first I'll show you how to remove it. Let's say if you also added one of the template from the Wix, then you might get this pre-installed this Wix chat option. So I'm going to show you how to remove it. For sometimes you also you will feel that you don't need that and you can remove it. So I have opened the editor. Just click on this and click on backspace. It's gone. Now to add that again, just click on add to site, this plus icon, then go to contact forms, click one of this, click on this. So this finally added. Now you can make the changes where you want according to design and all. Design of the this logo how you want, minimize chat because you can show select how you want it to show like a full width like this, small icon like this. You can just change the logo as well. Then you can choose the layout and background messages like this. You can do many more things. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.